Hi, my name's Roger Allmond from Allmond Cycle Design. The bike you can see behind me is the Bennetts project bike. It's a PR bike that they've asked me to build. It's a 2.3 litre Triumph. As you can see, I've been stripping it down today. The bike itself is a 2.0 litre Triumph, 3-cylinder, a massive engine. But the good thing is that now that we've stripped it, I can see that the engine isn't as big as it looks, so it's not going to be as difficult to work with. The problem I've got is it's shaft driven, and I want to run a bigger back tyre in it. It's got a 250 in at the moment. I want to run a 300, and I think that I'm going to have a few problems trying to get around that with the shaft drive. Then I love a challenge, so it's not going to be too bad. Just behind me on the floor down here, you can see the rest of the body kit from the bike. That's just been taken off, obviously, and won't be used anymore. I think probably the only parts I'll use from the bike are going to be the shaft, the wiring loom, the engine, fuel injection. I love a challenge, and I'm looking forward to the project. It's now the second week in August, so I need to get cracking, and if you don't mind, I'm going to get on with the bike, make a start, and I'll talk to you shortly. Bye for now.